The Burdekin, where unspoilt natural beauty meets a thriving rural community on the doorstep to the Great Barrier Reef. Covering more than 5,000 square kilometres, the Burdekin is home to an estimated 17,000 people. Residents enjoy relaxed coastal country living, a great tropical climate, and easy access to North Queensland's largest city, Townsville, which lies just 80 kilometres north of Ayr. Sitting at the mouth of the Burdekin River Delta and on top of Australia's largest underground aquifer, which contains more than 20 million megalitres of fresh water, the region is known for its liquid gold. This abundance of water makes the district drought resistant, which, combined with an average of more than 300 days of sunshine annually, makes the Shire an agricultural dream. The Burdekin's wealth of fertile soil, irrigation water, and life-giving sunshine support not only current activities, but emerging opportunities for farmers, businesses, and investors. The Shire's economy is strongly based on agribusiness, and in particular, the production and processing of sugarcane. The district produces about 8.5 million tonnes of sugarcane annually, from which 1.3 million tonnes of raw sugar is produced at the region's 4 large-scale mills, generating an annual output of over $2.5 billion. Whilst the Burdekin has traditionally been a sugarcane growing district, Council has in recent years been focused on facilitating opportunities for diversification to bring new and value-added industries to the district, increasing employment opportunities and stimulating the Shire's economy. About 3,400 hectares of the region is dedicated to other horticultural crops, such as achacha, capsicums, mangoes, melons, pumpkins, and zucchinis. The agriculture, forestry and fishing sector is the largest employer in the district, generating over 2,400 local jobs. The Shire is renowned for having primary producers who are resilient, innovative and keen to explore new opportunities to diversify their farming. Grains such as soybean, maize, sunflowers, popcorn and rice are becoming more commonly grown in the Burdekin. These alternative crops can result in improved sugarcane yields, lower input costs, and additional income for growers that can be reinvested in the community. The Burdekin also has a strong beef cattle farming sector, contributing over $29 million to the Shire's total agricultural output. Whilst the Burdekin is one of Australia's richest agricultural regions, the area also boasts strong horticultural, aquaculture and manufacturing industries, and is recognised as having high levels of solar irradiation with 2 solar farms located in the district. The fishing industry consists of 25 commercial operators supplying barramundi, mud crabs and other products predominantly for the domestic market. The aquaculture industry also continues to grow in the district, with Pacific Biotechnologies operating Pacific Reef Fisheries and an algal facility in Ayr. Pacific Reef Fisheries comprises of 98 hectares of ponds adjacent to the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, just south of Alva, and produces in excess of 1,000 tonnes of premium black tiger prawns. After many years in the planning phase, Pacific Biotechnologies has approval to develop a further 259 hectares of prawn farms at Guthalungra. This expansion will take the company's production up to 4,000 tonnes across the 2 sites. The development also meets the stringent water quality targets for developments adjacent to the Great Barrier Reef, using seaweed production to absorb nutrients from the pond water. Pacific Reef Fisheries was the first new aquaculture licence issued in Queensland since 2001, due to its unique ability to manage zero net nutrient discharge to the Great Barrier Reef. The Burdekin workforce is also recognised for expertise in broader areas of farming practices, including boiler making, fitting and turning, engineering and fabrication. Engineers and fabricators in the Burdekin region are among the best in Australia, with some distributing specialised products throughout Australia and the world. Several companies also supply logistics expertise to enable the products to reach national and international markets. Council recently adopted Outlook 2025, an economic development strategy focused on 3 strategy themes: a smart and innovative agricultural district, a location of choice for business investment, learning and living, and a dynamic regional visitor economy. Opportunities for action have been identified and categorised under the 3 themes to help activate and grow the local economy. The iconic Silver Link, the Burdekin Bridge, connects North and Central Queensland and cements the Burdekin's footprint as a vital coastal transport link, making the Shire a desirable location for industrial expansion. A further 45 allotments of industrial land are in the final design and planning stages in a fully serviced industrial precinct adjoining the existing Ayr Industrial Estate, adjacent to the Bruce Highway. This strategic reserve of industrial land will support development opportunities in a variety of sectors, including advanced machinery and equipment manufacturing, metal fabrication and engineering, food and beverage processing, and biofutures projects, due to the substantial amount of biomass available in the area, including sugarcane trash, vegetable waste, and agricultural plastics. Not only will the expansion provide much-needed industrial land for the region, but will establish new services for the community, create business and employment opportunities, and help retain young people in the district. Another priority project is the Ayr Macroalgae Bioremediation Demonstration Facility. This project involves the construction of a facility which will use freshwater macroalgae to remediate nitrogen and phosphorus from the Ayr Brandon wastewater treatment plant. These 2 nutrients represent a significant threat to the ongoing health of the Great Barrier Reef. Research trials undertaken with James Cook University indicate the algae can significantly reduce the levels of nitrogen and phosphorus from the wastewater produced by the treatment plant. The visitor economy is another key driver for job creation as part of the economic diversification of the Shire. From pristine beaches to exhilarating adventure sports, world-class fishing and unique cultural attractions, there is so much to discover. The Burdekin is home to over 30 kilometres of unspoilt beaches perfect for walking, swimming, picnics, kite surfing, fishing and more. Boat ramps and landings situated around the district provide access to creeks, rivers and estuaries, as well as shoals and reefs situated off the coast. For experienced divers or adventure seekers, the SS Yongala is located just 22 kilometres from Lynch's Beach, Elva. Rated one of the top 10 dive sites in the world, it is one of the only places along the east coast of Australia where reef and estuary fish can be seen together. The towns of Ayr and Home Hill feature boutique shopping with a variety of specialty stores offering fashion, homewares, giftware and more. The quaint, funky cafes offer delicious coffees and the many restaurants and eateries offer a range of cuisine. There are many positive aspects to living in the Burdekin, including affordable housing, private and public schools, numerous sporting, recreational and cultural groups, family-friendly events, and a great range of services, retail and entertainment on offer. With a number of global and national companies, as well as small and emerging companies investing and reinvesting in the Shire, the region's economy continues to prosper. The Burdekin Shire is a vibrant and connected community and a location of choice in which to live, work, play, visit and invest. Council welcomes inquiries and can assist existing businesses and new businesses established in the Shire. For more information, visit Council's website at www.burdekin.qld.gov.au or contact Council's Economic Development Team on 07 4783 9800.